In this lecture, we'll be taking a look at how we can delete a customer. So here you can see for every customer we have this delete button coming up. Now if you go to code, and here when we are rendering the customer using the customer component, we have associated the onDelete event over here. So we are saying customer, then we have this attribute onDelete, and we are associating this function called this.handleDelete. Now inside the customer component, you can see over here we have a button, and on click of that button we are associating the method. So here we are passing the event, and then we are passing the customer that we want to delete. Once we click on this button, this gets propagated, and over here the handleDelete method gets called. So the handleDelete method, as you can see, receives the event and the customer object and then stops the propagation. After that, it calls the API.destroy method, and it passes the customer object to that as a parameter. Once it is successful, it updates the customers by excluding the one which we have deleted, and then it sets the state back to the updated customers. And over here we are setting the selected customer to null as soon as the customer in question was deleted. So that's pretty much what we are doing in order to delete a customer. Now let's go ahead and delete one. So here let's go ahead and delete Steve. So we'll click on delete, and here you can see the customer has been deleted. Now let's go and check in Azure container. So we'll click on Azure extension. Here you can see inside customers Cosmos DB we just have one customer left now, that's Matt, and that is how we delete customers from our React Cosmos DB application.